Hello and happy Wednesday. We hope you all had a wonderful spring break and you are ready to get back to the grind as summer will be here before we know it. But school is not over. And as our students came back, our 3rd through 5th grade, they're getting ready for Georgia milestones as they will still take it this school year. And it'll be here before we all know it. And we want to make sure that you all are informed of the dates and some important resources for you and your student. So here you will see a schedule. On Tuesday and Wednesday, April 27th and 28th, our 3rd graders will take their ELA portions. Then on the 29th and 30th of April, 5th grade takes their ELA. Monday, May 3rd, will be the 3rd grade math. May 4th is 5th grade math. Then on May 5th and 6th, we have 4th grade ELA. May 7th is our 5th grade science, and May 10th is the 4th grade math. And then we have our makeup days. And then we also have the opportunity on the 11th, 12th, and 13th for our Learn from Home students to come in and take the assessments. The state has broken up, or the county has broken up how we are administering the Georgia Milestones assessment this year. So it really allows our students to break up, and it's not as many testing days in a row for them. A great resource for you all to use is the Georgia Milestones platform from the Georgia DOE. So you'll see here we have a QR code. Just simply go to your camera on your phone and you can scan over this and it'll take you to the website. And the website it'll look like this. And here's where you can read about what Georgia Milestones is and what the assessment is like. On the right side are different resources. You will look at the EOG. That is the end of grade. That is what our 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade students take. A great opportunity, and we highly recommend you allowing your child to do this at home, is to go to the Experience Online Testing Georgia. Click here, then click Test Practice. You're going to click on Online Tools Training. Then click the Test Practice, then click Standard Online Tools. Click Grades 3 through 5. Then type in this username and password that is provided for you. And what is going to happen is it's an opportunity for our students to practice taking the Georgia Milestones. It's not the actual assessment, but it is a sample of the assessment that allows them to go in, practice the tools, go through all the clicking components because there's lots of clicking and a lot of reading that has to take place. So please allow your student to practice this at home as much as possible. And it allows you to see what the students are going to take so that you are more aware of this. And they just simply click next and walk through the whole program and practice as much as possible. Our teachers are using this as well in the classroom. During testing time, we cannot stress enough to make sure your student has enough sleep. They're going to bed at a good time. They're not staying up late playing video games, watching TV. They go to bed early, they wake up, they have a good night's rest, and then they have a good, nutritious breakfast. Whether that's at home or they come through our breakfast line, we still offer breakfast every single day, and it is still free. So please get that nutritious breakfast. And please be aware of the scheduling dates and try to avoid appointments if possible during that time so that we can make sure all of our students are testing at their allotted scheduled time. We hope you have a wonderful Wednesday, and please let us know if you have any questions or concerns, and we will see you next week.